I picked it. Love me some fairy lick dip. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually a little bit of a different video. It's going to be a Cherryz haul. Thank you so much to Cherryz for gifting me these pieces for this video. So I have a massive box of things that Cherryz have kindly gifted me. I went into the website and picked a few things to show you guys. Cherryz is the place for all your essentials, whether it's your favourite snack or your favourite cleaning products. They have also kindly given me a discount code, which is Funto20, which I will put down below, that you guys can use on your first order. Comment, subscribe, and let me show you guys what I picked. So I actually haven't opened the box. It came a couple of days ago and I just thought I would open it while showing you guys what I picked up. I'm just opening it, it smells so good. What should I show you first? First thing I would say that I noticed, the price range is like really good. So like the first thing I picked up is indoor strip lights. See, so I wanted these anyway, so I just picked these up. I can't remember the prices of everything, but I wanted to have it like in my wardrobe, so I'm going to try and put this like in my wardrobe and see how that turns out. I can't remember the prices exactly, but a lot of the things that I picked up are really inexpensive. And cling film speaks for itself, like you can never go wrong. So I picked up 50 meters of that. Love that. I picked up some fairy liquid, I think it's sensitive, tea tree and mint, and I'll be mixing that shit with water when it's running out because a little goes a long way, okay? Comfort fuchsia pink. I can't wait to use that. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh. I love a sweet floral smell for my washing. Because autumn is the season where you're wearing like your nice fancy coats, so lint rollers. I need them everywhere. I need them in the car, in the house, in different rooms. Always need a lint roller. I picked up some Lenore balls. These balls are like my favourite thing ever. They literally change your washing. Oh, it goes in my lips. The smell lasts for so long. Like I'll fold all the clothes away and I can still smell the Lenore balls. And I got it in Ruby Jasmine. If you don't know about pink stuff, I don't know where you've been. Pink stuff is amazing. I use it for everything. I use the pot, the pink stuff. I don't know what it's called, but it's like, I don't know what it's called, but pink stuff is amazing. Their multi-purpose spray is great. It's actually my favourite. But sticking on pink stuff, I also got pink stuff toilet cleaner. I think this smells really good. Does the job. I picked up some gloves. I cannot be cleaning with my bare hands and these nails. Gloves will come on when it's time to clean because I'm not trying to ruin my nails. So yeah, definitely, you can never have too many gloves either. Again, something I have all over the house. Sometimes they go missing, sometimes I only find one, so gloves, the more gloves the better. I picked, oh, I was actually really excited about this one. It's the Dr. Beckman Stain Devils. I have this, the Dr. Beckman carpet cleaner, carpet stain remover, and it's absolutely insane. It's amazing. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, yes, I need this. Picked up Power Clean Toilet Bowl Tabs. I need the bathroom to smell good at all times, so I thought I would try these and see how they go. I use Dove to shower with, so I picked up some Dove bath. So this is actually for the bath, but I use this every day to shower because it makes my skin like really soft. And I picked it up in the almond cream and hibiscus. It smells amazing. Also, like after I shower, like, I can still smell it on me for like parts of the day. And yeah, it leaves my skin really soft, so I love a bit of that. Antibacterial wipes. We all know you cannot have too much of these. So I picked up a bunch. I picked up some Nurofen. You know, when that time of the month comes, I haven't got time to be getting the little ibuprofen. It needs to be Nurofen. I also picked up another stain remover thing. It's the Elbow Grease Stain Remover Bar. Anything stain remover, I love it because I love wearing like cream coloured, oh, it's looking a bit yellow on the screen, but cream coloured white clothing, but like staining them is just like inevitable, like it just always happens. So stuff like this excites me because I need to get those stains out, because sometimes just washing them doesn't get stains out, so hopefully this works. Cracker breads. When I'm trying to be healthy, have a healthy snack, I'll have one of these with some cheese, low-fat cheese, some butter. Great healthy snack instead of me, you know, having a packet of crisp or whatever. Haribo rainbow strips, which I absolutely love these, and I feel like they don't sell them anywhere, so I picked these up for like, you know, a little treat here and there. One a day or something. Who am I kidding? It's definitely not a one a day thing. It's like half a packet thing, but you know, it's fine, it's fine. So that is everything in my Cherryz haul. I picked up a nice range of things. I definitely will be going on the website on the regs to top up my home goods, home goodies. Again, I'll leave the discount code in the description box for you guys to use. I would say go on the website, have a look. There'll definitely be something that you would like, that you want to pick up. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!